everyone, it's Gigi. I have a haul for you guys and a project share. But first I want to brag about Simon Says Stamp. For a while now, probably about the past 6 months, they stepped up their game. I have been receiving my packages a lot faster. I used to have to wait a couple weeks at a time, and sometimes I'd have to email them and remind them, hey, I placed an order. I don't have to do that anymore. And then just recently, I get their kits quite often, and I'm not subscribed to it. I just order it a lot. And for January, I ordered the kit, and there was a problem with my stamp. It wasn't stamping. It had a line that went through it. And so I took a picture of the stamp, and I took a picture of how it was stamping, and I sent it to them. And they said, okay, we'll take care of it. And I thought that they would just send me that stamp. And they sent me a whole new stamp set. And along with that, guys, they sent me the dies. I thought that was excellent customer service, and they went above and beyond. And I just thought that that was amazing. And then they sent me a coupon code, which y'all can use too. And it expires on March 1st. So here it is if you're interested. And I just wanted to make that known that they have excellent customer service now. Like, they've really stepped up their game compared to the way they used to be. Like, they're really on it now with their shipping. Okay, next, I shopped at Vanessa's shop, which is Butterfly Reflections Ink. And she was having a huge sale going on. And so I purchased a couple things. So I got the enamel dots for the Fill and Frosty, which I didn't have yet. So now I think I have everything for that collection that I wanted. And then I picked up, I had wanted this and I couldn't find it anywhere. And she had it. It's the Winter Wonderland from Doodlebug. It is so cute. It's from 2019. Let me just flip through it so you can see it. It's really cute. It's so fun. It's wintry. I love the colors. So cute. And with that, I got the shape sprinkles that match, the little hearts. So cute. So that was fun. And then I've been wanting to try the Ink on 3 Blackout Detail ink, and you're supposed to be able to use this with Copics. So I wanted to try it out and see how it worked. And then I also got the Ink on 3 clear embossing and watermark ink. So I wanted to give that a try also. So I got those. And then I'm having a hard time finding a red I like. I want like a deep red. I got this, and it's not what I thought it was gonna be, but I'll still use it. It's called Scarlet by Brutus Monroe. You get 20 pieces. So that's still not the red I'm looking for. And then lastly, I picked this up. I've been wanting it for a while, and it was at a good price. It's Honeybee. It's called Cookie Sheet. But it's so cute. So I'm glad to add that to my die collection. And that's all I picked up from Butterfly Reflections Ink. And then I'm super happy to have this in my stash. So I ordered this from Lilly of the Valley. It's called Baked with Love Tags. And it's so stinking cute. So let me show you what it looks like. So it comes like this. Really cute. So in case you want to read what they are, I don't know if she has them anymore, but she had them at Christmas time. So cute. But she's on Etsy, and it's Lilly of the Valley. Okay, next I got a few things from the Dollar Tree. Now, I saw Lilo Crafts do a project with these, and I wanted to try it out. So I picked up these tubing. They're called mesh tubes. So I picked those up. Sorry for the noise, they're kind of crinkly. And I also picked up some skewers for a project. They're bamboo skewers. You get a ton in here. You get 100 pieces. So if you don't use them in your craft room, you can also use them in the kitchen. And then I picked up these right here. These are so cute, these wood sticks with the hearts on the end. I love those. And then I picked up these. They're called scratch stickers. So you would put your sentiment behind it, or whatever you want to put behind it. You lay the sticker down, and then they have to scratch it off to see what it says. So I got them in 2 different colors. I thought those were so cute. So it's like a silverish pink and a red. And they are 15 on each one. So cute. That was a fun find. And I had went to a Dollar Tree that was by this Hobby Lobby, so I don't usually go to this one. And then I found some primitive hearts. These big wooden hearts. I thought they were really cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. But I thought they were cute, and I hadn't seen them at the other ones. I think I had picked up 1 or 2 before, but I grabbed them, so they're cute. And then the last thing I got from Dollar Tree was this sticky notebook. I only found 1, and it is so cute. I want to see if I can find more to send out, because I think these would be a cute gift. Isn't that cute? So a cute little book. And then I went to Michael's, and I was looking for their clearance stuff. So first I picked up this candle. I picked up 2 of these. These smell so good, and they were a good price. So they're regularly $19.99, and they were on sale for $6. And they're called Frosted Gingerbread, and they're a 3-wick soy wax blend. Guys, this smells so good. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh my gosh, just opening it smells so good. So I'm going to burn one of these. Because I'm almost out of my other one. So I got 2 of those. And then I found a whole bunch of wood pieces that I loved that I didn't see before. So I found 2 of these candy canes. So I figured I could make these into cookies like I did my other ones. So I got 2 candy canes. Then I found 2 of these Christmas trees. And then I found these longer bells. I love the shape of them. Got a couple of those. And then guys, I about died when I saw these gingerbread ones. Oh, I was so happy. So I got several of these as well. I got all that they had of these. I was like, y'all are coming home with me. Y'all are gonna be fun to make magnets out of. And then the last 2 things I got was some trim. I got these 2 right here. Thought they were really fun. And that's everything I got from Michael's. And then I went to Hobby Lobby. I found one thing on clearance that I liked. It was 29 cents. And it was these epoxy, Christmas snow globe epoxy stickers. Thought they were cute. Then I got me some Valentine stuff. I loved this vintage Valentine paper. Let me show you. I've already used some. I made a project to share on Saturday. It's really pretty. cute. Really cute. So that's pretty paper. And then I picked up these wooden hearts. They were a really good buy. So everything was 40% off for the Valentine stuff. So you get 12 of these for $3.99 and then 40% off. And they're a really good size. And then I picked up, I was so hoping they had these, and they did. These Sequin Hearts with love all over them. So they're like conversation hearts. And then I found these conversation hearts in wood. And you get 45 pieces, and these have all different kinds of words on them. Hug me, cutie pie, XOXO, love you, true love, so sweet, kiss me, cute, you and me, you rock, really cute. And then I picked up some of these storage memory keepers, and they're 99 cents each, and I keep my kits in these. So I picked up several. They had them in different colors, so I picked up some of those. And I picked up some foam. And these are, I believe, 2mm. And they're only 99 cents each. So I got dark pink, I got teal, beige, and white. And then I have been wanting this and eyeing it, so I went ahead and got it. So it's a house mouse. Her name is Amanda, and she's sitting in a teacup that says Jasmine on it. It's from 2019. So cute. And then the last thing I picked up there were these Easter egg crates, because I'm going to be doing a swap with Elise this Easter. And these are the colors they come in. And last year I wanted to get them, but they sold out because I was waiting for them to go on sale. And when I went, they were gone. So I was like, I'm not going to miss them again. I need it. And then I picked up, well, actually I got in. I had ordered these dies from KS Craft on Ally back in November, and I just got them yesterday. So it's this right here. They're hearts and a bow. And these hearts. And these hearts. And this is what I made my projects with. And I got the idea from Happy Mail Queen. I used my pokey tool. I used a hot glue gun. I used my Distress ink and vintage photo. I used some straws. On one of them I used the frosted lace stickles. I used fabric tack by Beacon. And I used some ribbon. So on one of them I made this. And then I made these lollies. And I used a skewer and I pushed it up inside the center and sandwiched them and hot glued it. And I de-stressed the brown with the vintage photo to make it look more like a cookie. But I think they turned out so stinking cute. So that's my project and that's my haul. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.